Hi, ni hao. Welcome to Miss Carrie's Chinese class. This is Miss Carrie. I'm a Chinese teacher. So we learned about food last time. And today we're going to introduce you new food. So remember food in Chinese? Okay, food in Chinese is 食物,食物,食物. So if you want to eat any food, just remember 食物 is the Chinese. Now we are going to continue to introduce more 食物 that you learn. So I'm going to go ahead and we are going to see my screen and we're gonna review first. Then we're gonna continue the new food, okay? So let's do some review. Last time you learned the following.
饼干、牛奶、巧克力、鸡蛋、面包。
So last time you learned 饼干 cookies. So repeat after me. 饼干,饼干,饼干. Then you learned eggs. 鸡蛋,鸡蛋,鸡蛋. You also learn about chocolate. 巧克力,巧克力. And you learn about bread. 面包,面包. So we are going to continue to learn more 食物. Here's the new one.
蛋糕。
So this is probably one of our favorite, right? 蛋糕. 蛋糕 is cake, as you can see here. So let's say 蛋糕,蛋糕,蛋糕 3 times.
糖果。
This is also one of the favorite candies, okay? Candies in Chinese is 糖果,糖果,糖果. So repeat it 3 times.
酸奶。
Now this is very important. It's a very healthy food. 酸奶 is yogurt. So 酸奶,酸奶,酸奶. Repeat 3 times. Now this is a review and we're gonna show you how the Chinese character look like, okay? 饼干 cookies. So you learn about 饼干.
饼干。
That's how the Chinese character
饼
look like.
干。
饼干 cookies. This is 牛奶 牛奶
牛奶。
and this is how 牛奶 for Chinese
牛
characters
奶
look like. Now is one of the favorite 巧克力 巧克力 chocolate.
巧克力。 巧克力。
All right, you remember this? This is 鸡蛋, right? 鸡蛋. So you're gonna see how 鸡蛋 look like in Chinese characters.
鸡蛋。鸡蛋。
鸡蛋 eggs. All right, you learn about this too. If you remember, you can say it out loud. This is 面包 面包，
面包，面包，
Okay, this is a new one we just learned. 蛋糕，蛋糕 is cake.
蛋糕，
蛋糕
蛋糕，
You can repeat after us. Okay, this is also what we just learned. One of your favorite. 糖果，糖果 candies. 糖果，
糖果，糖果，
All right, 糖果 I can repeat. Our last 食物 the last food that we introduce is 酸奶。酸奶 means yogurt. So you can repeat after us.
酸奶，
酸奶 and this is how the Chinese character look like.
酸奶，
酸奶。Alright, so that's the end of the new 食物 that we introduced for today. So I hope that you remember all we learned from 饼干 cookies to 面包 bread. What else did you learn? You learned the new one is 蛋糕 the cake. 蛋糕. And then you learn candies, right? Candies is 糖果. So if you really like 糖果, you have to remember how to say that in Chinese. You can eat a lot of lots of candies, that is 糖果. And the last thing you learn is 酸奶. 酸奶 is yogurt. It's really healthy for your body. So remember, if you want to eat yogurt next time, you need to remember how to say 酸奶 in Chinese. Okay? So I hope that you learn a lot today. And remember how to say goodbye in Chinese. 再见.再见 means goodbye, right? So every time you should say 再见,再见 when you say goodbye to somebody. So when you are home this time, you have to draw all these new 食物 that you learn, the food that you learn, and you can say like in Chinese as you draw it, okay? So if you draw cookies, then you have to remember cookies is 饼干. And if you draw eggs, you have to remember eggs are 鸡蛋,鸡蛋. And if you draw any bread, the Chinese for bread is 面包,面包. And if you love the chocolate, if you're drawing chocolate all the time, then you have to remember how to say that in Chinese. Chocolate in Chinese is 巧克力,巧克力,巧克力. So next time you can tell me what is your favorite food, 食物. Then you're gonna have to learn and remember that in Chinese. Okay? So hope that you enjoy Miss Carrie's Chinese lesson and review a lot and say it a lot. And you remember how to say goodbye in Chinese and how to say hi in Chinese. Hi is the one that I just greeted to you in the beginning. 你好. That's how we say hello in Chinese. 你好. And then goodbye is 再见,再见. So you can say 你好. Then you say 再见. 你好. Then when you're leaving, 再见. Okay, so Miss Carrie gonna leave. Then you have to say 再见 to Miss Carrie, right?